I'm that wife. This is my life. Welcome to Mommy's Life. What's up, you guys? Thanks for tuning in to my channel, Mommy's Life. You with your girl, Mommy B. First, before we get into this video, don't forget to turn all your post notifications on. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. But we finna get on into this video. First, I'm gonna let you know what I'm going to be doing today. Well, first, I am drinking me some water. I know it needs to be bigger, but hey, I'm a starter. And I'm about to drink. Give me a minute. I drink these all through the day. A lot of them. But anyways, I am about to go to the library to fax some papers, and I have to go to the post office today. And then I'm gonna come back and work on my homework. And I'm with my baby boy. Say hey, Chuck. Tell your YouTube family hey. Say hey. Okay, he wanna be unbothered. My other two kids is at school, as you already know. We about that education. But I am about to put my coat on, put his coat on, get my umbrella, and we about to head out to the car. And you guys, it is raining. We're gonna have a rainy day today, so I'm gonna catch you when I get in the car. We have made it in the car. Now I'm on my way to go to the post office. I wanted to see if I was gonna go to the library first or the post office, but hey, it doesn't matter. I think this wasn't on my agenda for today, but I think I'm gonna go to the store and get me a notebook. It's been on my mind to do, you guys, but today I'm gonna do it. I really want to be more mindful on my goals. Like, I want to put effort into my goals and making sure that I reach them, you know. So I'm gonna give me a notebook, and I'm just gonna jot down some goals that I want to achieve in 2023. Comment down below if you have any goals that you want to achieve for the year of 2023. Leave me some comments, you know. But y'all, it is still raining, but I'm glad it done slacked up, because I hate doing things in the rain. Y'all like my hair? Shout out to my girl Ty. I'll put her name in the description if y'all want to get y'all hair done. If you in the Mississippi area, yeah, I know it's bad, ain't it? I'm just ready to get done with everything I need to do this morning. It's like go back to the house, because I just want to be at home when it's raining. Because when it rains, you guys, it's like a chill day, you know, just chilling. Kids are at school. You only got one child to deal with. He back there trying to go to sleep. I am about to get out at the post office, and y'all, it done started back raining. Oh my goodness. About to send out some letters, you guys. If you want your credit fixed, my husband does fix credit, so that credit is always A1 in my book. So yeah, we about to ship these little letters off and hurry up and come up out of there, because who want to be at the post office when it's raining? Nobody. Wifey duties. Grab my wallet, because I am not taking my purse. And put me some lip gloss on. I might just need to take the card, because I don't want to. I'm trying to take less as possible. So I already got to get my son. Come on, you guys. Let's go on and do this. Got the keys. Yeah. Oh my goodness, it's raining. I don't feel like getting that umbrella. He's bundled all up, of course. Come on, baby. Come on, 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 come on. Sorry, guys. You don't want to hold on this morning. Woo. My screen getting wet. Hair all in my face. Now we're gonna put him down. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. I'm like, Mama, why you got me on all these coats? Come on. Yeah, look at him. Chuck. Hey, good morning. Got 3 for you today.
It's too many.
No, nah. It's not that many.
We're gonna do one today. That's it. What's up, little man?
Come on. How y'all doing?
Stepping, ain't you? You
Yeah.
ain't got the carrot, you stepping.
I wish you would walk faster.
You gonna get there in a
He'll
minute.
get there.
You gonna be chasing him.
You the one who have to be running to go faster. You kind of short there now.
Especially in this rain. Ooh.
He's gonna have you running.
Y'all ready for Christmas?
Anything breakable, perishable,
Better than
how's
I'm
to get
going
the
to.
red ones, you know.
Press that note on the screen for me.
Okay? Priority, like I said, is 2 to 3 day delivery. It does come with a tracking number and it's also insured with $100 of insurance.
You guys ready?
Yes, I am. Might as well be.
Cause it's coming, no
You're not
matter.
done all your shopping on it.
I haven't even started.
Oh, girl, come on, man.
Oh,
Look at you. You gonna wait Christmas Eve and go up there?
No.
That would be me.
Me-
We gonna see each
It's
other.
my husband's fault. It ain't my fault because I be telling him, like, look, come on, we need to go and get these
Now,
presents.
I'm gonna tell you now. I'm gonna tell you
Yeah,
like
75,
me
you
and
got chicken
the wife and the husband thing going to the mall and shopping together. I do it every now and then, but that's not my main thing. I give you the money. I give you ideas, and I even go up there with you. And I go sit somewhere while you go and do your thing. But don't expect me to go up and down these aisles with you talking about some gear, honey. No,
No.
honey.
See,
That's not me.
he pick out their clothes, so
So okay, yeah, you good man.
yeah. And I just get the toys. It's a team effort, though, you know.
Friday or Saturday.
Gotta work together.
I'll drive you there. Like I said, I'll be right there by your side. But me going up and down them aisles talking about, would this match that? I'm not that guy.
See, nah, we don't have to do all that. He just go in, pick it out. We get the toys. Boom, we done.
Now, the toys I can work with. I can cook.
And I gotta be in a hurry. Well, not too much in a hurry, but you know, you gotta. We doing it on a weekday, so hopefully he can take off tomorrow, as he said, and we just go up there and get the gifts and stuff. I usually get my stuff off Amazon.
Now, the toy thing, my wife always leaves the toys up to me. Because I already
You
know
got
what the
the
kids want.
zip
Because
code?
I, you know, it just, they always come to me, yeah, you know,
My daughter gave me the address,
more
and
about
Oh, you don't
What they
have to-
want.
stuff like that.
Yeah.
Because, you know,
No, that's
so I
what
know
I'm
what they
saying. What do I
want.
put that? After the
Clothes, stuff
Colorado
like that.
Springs?
You can put seal.
Gotcha.
I'm not.
You know
That way
what?
to get to.
You know, my son was for young.
But you got the zip
I
code.
would go give him like the Jordan and, you know, the stuff that I know
But it's
that I
kinda
know
tight
he wants.
in
But,
there.
yeah.
Oh, honey, I can squeeze
I
it in there.
shouldn't say that like that. I was the shop. Come to think about it, when you add it all up, yeah, I was there.
Anything.
It's not so bad.
I'm just messing with you.
I know.
I love the shop. I love the shop.
It's okay. I just hate trying on
First class, the
clothes, but
track
you
is
know.
I'm
$5.30.
gonna tell you the tradition that we
If you
have.
want to add
And me
insurance,
and
the
my wife
track
been
is
doing
gonna
it
be
for the
enough.
last 10 years.
Tracking will be enough.
Go get you a nice cup of coffee.
Mm-hmm.
Go to the
That's the
bar,
correct
you know, get you a
address.
cup of
Get the
coffee,
green
then you go
tea.
shopping. And it just kind of relax you and you can just enjoy it. You know? Go to Starbucks, get you a
You know
I know, 'cause I love
Yeah,
it.
go to Starbucks, get you about a medium cup of coffee.
Right?
And y'all just go to the mall and just go up and down, just have fun, man.
Yeah.
Shopping can be fun.
It can be, especially when you ain't got them kids. But I have my 1-year-old. So.
You can get some ideas.
Little boy, where you at?
He's going now. You might not have
Oh, he coming back. Thank you.
him.
You too. Come on. Yeah, this little boy keep running and running and running. He want me to chase him. Look, y'all. Come on. I'm not finna chase you now. Let's go. I got another errand to go. I got another stop. Chug. Ooh. See y'all. He wanna play. I'm about to grab him and jump in his car, so give me a second. Since the library is on my next stop, I'm at the library now. Y'all, this girl right here this wife right here, this mama right here, man, I be handling my business. You know what I'm saying? I be handling it, okay? I be handling my business. It's important business. With 3 kids, yeah. Shout out to Mama B. I make this thing look easy. Don't I, y'all? I know. Comment down below if y'all think I'm a terrific mother. Mommy B in this cut. Mommy B, Mommy B, Mommy B. Okay, y'all, we have made it to the library. Let me stop. Let me see if I still got this card. Okay. Yeah, we be jamming too sometimes. Y'all know I'm a 90s baby, so I still love my old school music. My 90s music. Where's my key? Y'all cannot keep up with these dang keys. Oh, I'm sorry, Chubb. Mommy got to get you out the car again. Then I got to get you out again. He'll be okay. This is important. Come on, man. Again. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. He bumped it up real good. Can't say that about me. I forgot my hat. I always forget something. Come on. Good morning. I need to use the fax machine.
Next to the flag there, $1
Okay.
You don't take cards.
You don't take cards?
Can't take cards.
Okay. Who don't take cards? Come on, Chubb. Okay, let me see if I got enough cash. Because I just have cards. Let's see, so this 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Dang, they charge $1 a page. Just $10. I don't think I have that much cash on me. I guess I have to come back. Yes. He would never sit still. I will be. Come on, Chubb. I need to see if I got some cash on me. You coming? Or are you gonna stay? You coming? Or are you gonna stay?
It's up to you.
I'll be right back. I parked right there.
That's fine.
What's up, baby?
I highly doubt it if I have $10 in cash. That's my fault. I need to start carrying cash. That's ridiculous, y'all. Who don't take freaking cards? This librarian lady is she was like so sweet, you guys. Oh my gosh, she was so sweet. She let me go on and fax my papers that I needed to be faxed. I didn't get a chance to. Well, I could have vlogged it, but girl, y'all, I was like frustrated with that fax machine. But anyways, then I was trying to find some dollars in my wallet. And they know people do not carry cash. But anyways, I am on my way to the store now so I can get this notebook and some pens, because we cannot keep pens at our house. Either my husband lose them or my kids. But anyways, if anybody stays in Mississippi, like South Haven or Horn Lake area, the library is doing a lot of fun things for Christmas, like movie night with the family. It's gonna be real cool. It actually starts next week. Yeah, I think I done went down too far. Yeah, it starts next week at 11 o'clock. It's very exciting because, you know, give you family time with you and your kids if you don't have to work. Because I do know my kids is out of school next week for Christmas break. So yes, I am taking mine, and I'm looking forward to having fun with my babies. Yay, something fun to do. I need to turn around because I done came down too far. I wonder if I can just go up here and do a little U-turn. Chubby, you ready to go home? Huh? Are you ready to go home? I know I am. At least I did get some things done. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, so much traffic, so much traffic, so much traffic. Why? I know probably a whole lot of people done took off for Christmas break. Like, I know these people supposed to be at work. Come on, man. Okay, this is my... big truck, what are you doing? What are you doing? Yo! Shout out to the big truck drivers or whatever, but please, y'all, some of y'all need to learn how to drive now. That's why these accidents be happening. Come on, use your head. Hey, how you gonna bag out in the middle of the road like that? Come on now. Doesn't make any sense. Especially when you had people, don't you come out here. Y'all, these, oof. I was always taught if you ain't got nothing nice to say, do not say it at all. So I'm just gonna be quiet, okay? Because I'm in good spirits this morning, okay? Good spirit this morning. I pray and I hope everyone that's watching this video is doing having a terrific morning. I hope you're blessed and stay prayed up, you guys, because this world, it ain't the world, but the people in this world. It's crazy and it's scary. So y'all stay prayed up, please. I'm just gonna go to the dollar store because I should have went to, well, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna go to Dollar General. Y'all don't act like y'all don't shop at the dollar store. I'm bougie, but I like what I like, and you can never go wrong with the Dollar General because I'm coming here for a notebook. Got my keys, got my card. Yeah. Here we go again. I need an alarm on my keys. Okay. Grab my little camera. And we about to head on out. Going to the dollar store. Going to the dollar store. Come on, Pookie. Come on, one more time. One more time. Then we are going home. I promise. I promise. I'm gonna get a basket that's not having been outside. Okay.
This is $1 today.
It's $1.
Bought some stuff and stuck them off.
Okay, thank you.
You're so perfect.
Thank you. Might as well grab some milk. Yeah, check my hair. I love the dollar store. Let's see, we need some milk. Every time I come in, it doesn't matter what stores I go in, y'all, I'm gonna always find something more to get. It's just spending more money. Oh, I should have just brought the whole wallet in. Get some milk. What else? I'll get my tab, my notebook. more cereal? I don't remember. I don't think so. Some of this stuff I already got. Let's go get the notebook. But that's what I came in the store for. What? What? Let's see how this smells. It's not bad, but I don't know about that. I don't know about that. I didn't come in here to shop, but this is so pretty. It's a throw blanket. Oh, and it's $5. Goddess would love this. She would love this. Oh my God, and she would love this lip gloss kit. I could wrap this. Then I can, Brittany, what are you doing? Which one should I get y'all? Or should I get both of them? Because it's just $5. I think I'm just going to grab both of them. My husband know I got a shopping problem. He knows this already. He knows this. It's like, I need to control myself, but it's like, we done switched bodies or something. Because I'm the one that didn't used to have a shopping problem. But now, oh my God. It's like what I see, I be getting it. Now, let me get in here and get this notebook so we can go home. Look at all this stuff, y'all. Look at all this. Look at all this. And I got weights already at home because I am still on my healthy journey. My dieting and all that. I think I look good, don't y'all? This is cool. Oh, wait, this one right here. Yeah, I'm tearing up stuff. Let me get up out of here. I'm tearing up stuff. Oh my God, they gonna get me. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay. What the heck is wrong with this damn basket? Okay, notebook. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Might need to get some more pencils for the kids. Because they do homework. Where are the freaking notebooks? I want a big one. Oh, my baby wanted one of these. She wanted a Pop-It notebook. Oh my God, y'all. That's why I don't like coming in the stores, or because it's like, dang, I'm always getting stuff. You are powerful, beautiful, brilliant, and brave. Oh my God. I love inspirational things like this. And it's only $1 at the dollar store, y'all. I don't know which one to get. You are capable. I don't know what that is. Dream big and never stop. Oh, y'all, the thing just fell again. Y'all, comment down below on which one you think I should get. This one or this one. I know y'all probably like, just get both of them. They just $1. But I gave the librarian my dang $3. That was in cash. You are capable. I don't know what that means. I don't know that. Because I know I'm capable of doing whatever. Dream big and never stop. Dream big and never stop. You are powerful, beautiful, brilliant, and brave. I already know all those things. I know I'm all of that. The thing that I really want is I need to continue to dream big and never stop. Never stop. Never stop. I could write up in here, but I don't know. This is what I might get instead. Ooh, yeah. This is probably what I need because it's bigger. Wonderful. Got these. I don't like those. Let's see. Let's see. Stay sharp notebook. Don't throw it on the floor. Y'all. I want one that's spiritual, but composition notebook. I don't know. I already have one of those at the house. Ooh, about to fall. Megan, please. I ain't got them like that. Which one? I'm gonna let my baby choose. Which one should? Which one? Which one mommy should get? You want me to get which one? Want the smiley faces? Okay, the smiley faces it is. We are. But I really like pink, and these are my favorite colors. I don't want that one, Chuck. I'm getting that one. I am getting that one because pink and purple is my favorite color. And it's my daughter's favorite color. So, let me get some pens. Black. And I'm getting these. What should I get the other one? It's extra smooth gel. I don't really like gel pens. Y'all comment down below if y'all like gel pens because I don't. But yes, this is the one I'm going with. I'm gonna get my goals written down in this little notebook, and I'm going to pray over it every day. I'm gonna manifest it because that's my goals, and I want to stick with it. So yes, I need to get up out of here because I am spending more than what I expected to spend. But anyways, we are about to go to the cash register and check out. So I will check with you all in a minute when I get back in the car. Okay, y'all. I have done everything that I needed to do today, and I am like so happy today. Not because people was being so nice to me, but it's like, wow, it's really some nice people still in this world, and I'm sure everyone knows that. But yeah, I was like amazed today. Like I have gotten so blessed on this morning. Like, it might not mean nothing to y'all, but it means the world to me because I started already doing the Christmas shop. I know I'm late right now doing Christmas shopping, but anyways, I've got like a lot of things for free, you guys. I woke up this morning, I was in great spirits. I said my prayers, I ate a healthy breakfast, I fed the kids, you know, doing the things that a mom's supposed to do. And it's like, today has been a very great day. Like, I'm telling you, y'all, continue to do good to others and be blessed. I mean, that's all you can do. Just be good to others and God will reward you. It ain't always about money. You can have good health. Your kids are blessed. You're blessed. They're healthy. They're waking up. Some people don't even get to wake up. You know what I'm saying? Like, I didn't come on here to vent or whatever, but I just wanted y'all to see and know that God is good. Like, people in this world are still great people, and it's like, oh my God. But anyways, we are in the car, as you can see, and I am on my way back to the house. So I'm gonna end this video, y'all. I had a wonderful day this morning, going out to do, running my little errands. But I just want to say thank y'all and happy holidays to you and your family. Love on your family. Love on the people that loves you. You know what I'm saying? Love on them, because you never know when it's their, the next time you don't see them. So just love on each other. Be blessed. I love you, and catch me on my next video. Mwah.
Bye.